What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Mo from Brawl Stars. Now we're going to begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw an oval for the nose. Let's start at the very top in the middle. Just going to stretch this oval going out towards the side, come across the middle and up on the right, and then back up towards the top. Now we're going to leave a gap just underneath the nose and add a curve for the mouth. We're going to come down and then up. Now from the side we're just going to angle the teeth, coming down and in. And then we'll round out the bottom. And then in the center, we'll draw a straight line coming down about halfway. Let's go back up to the top corners of the teeth. We're going to wrap the mouth coming around and then in towards the side of the teeth. Now directly above the nose, we're going to drape the hat coming down along the side. So let's leave a small gap. We're going to go out toward the left, come around, and then straight down. Let's go back up to the top, going out towards the right, round this out, and then bring that straight down towards the same height. Let's flatten off the bottom. Now I want to trace this curve along the top. We're going to go a little bit narrower along the top center. So we're going to go straight up. Just going to taper this so it gets narrower in the middle. Go out, and then bring that back down. Now that we have the edge of the hat in place, we're going to draw the bottom of the head. So let's start over on the left. We're going to curve the head, going down, and then in towards the side of the teeth. Let's add two whiskers on either side. Start with a straight line. Step down, just angle this one down and out. Now going back to the bottom corner of the hat, we're just going to angle this up and then out towards the side. And then on the left, we're going to go straight up. I'm just going to bulge out the head, coming out. Now we're going to go back over towards the left side. We're going to round out the top of the head. We'll go all the way around, go up in the middle, come across, down, and then bend that in. Let's add a seam coming down the center of the hat. And then we're also going to separate the tip of the hat. Start with a straight line across this bevel, and then angle this up and out. Now there's two large stitch details along the side of the head. So we're going to start over on the left. We're going to start with a curve, going up and then in. Let's line this up on the right. So we're just going to balance this out. Let's round up the ends. And we'll close off the top with that same curve. Now we're going to layer another stitch in behind. So we're going to start from the top. We're going to start with a half circle, going up and then down. Let's line up the inside underneath this stitch, coming down and in, round up the bottom, and then bend that back up underneath. Let's add those 2 points along the top, angle this down and in, line this up, flatten off the top, angling this out, and then pull this in towards that inside point. Let's fill the inside in black. Let's add a stitch across the top. Starting on the left, we're going to bend this up and then down. Now starting from the top, just going to layer this in behind. Now I'm going to place the ears along the side of the head. Let's start over on the left, draw a circle. We're going to go all the way around, come down the side, and then in towards the side of the head. Let's line this up on the right. We're going to draw that same size circle. Go all the way around, come down, and then in. Along the top of the ear, we're going to add that thick edge. So we're going to start from the top of the circle. It's going to taper this so it gets wider as you come in toward the top of the head. And then we're going to add a point. Starting down here, going up and then down. Now I want to trace the ears along the inside. We're going to start with a fold along the top. Let's start from this point. Follow the curve of the ear going up and then out. From the top, we're going to step in. It's going to follow that curve, going all the way around the ear and then in towards the side of the head. Now I'm going to go back and fill the inside of the mouth in black, going around the teeth. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. Over on the left side, we're going to draw a circle for the button, going all the way around and then up. Let's draw a small circle in the center. Underneath that button, over on the left side, we're going to bend the body, going out and then down. Let's go underneath the head on the right side, bend this out and then down towards the same height. Now I'm going to connect the bottom of the hips with a curve, but we're going to leave a gap in the center. And I'll add a notch going up and then down. Let's go underneath the button, add another curve, going across, and I'll add the edge of the strap starting underneath the teeth, going out and then down. Now we're going to tuck the lower torso in underneath. From these 2 points, we're going to step in, curve the hip, coming down and in with a short line, leave a gap in the center, add a curve coming down and up. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg, going out and then down towards the edge of the boot. And round up the leg, going out and then up towards the side. Let's close out the legs. We're going to tuck the leg in underneath the hip, bend this out and then down. Now I'm going to wrap that thick cuff around the legs. So on the left side, we're going to step up, we're going to draw an oval, going around the leg, and then back in. From the inside of the cuff, bend this in and then down in the center. And we're just going to touch the cuffs along the inside. Just round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the bottom, start with the left side, going down and up. Let's expose the front of the foot. Starting from the end, we're going to draw a half circle, going up and then down. Now we're going to go back up to the outside of the cuff, bend the leg going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's separate the toes with 2 curves on either side. And now we're going to move back up to the top and draw the arms stretched out towards the side. Let's start from the top of the belt, then the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle from the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now I want to wrap 3 fingers around on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, come around and up around that bracket. Go to the side, add the second finger, pulling this up. And then the third finger is going to go around in behind the hat. And I want to continue this curve along the inside, going up underneath the head. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Let's draw the edge of the cuff, starting from the top of the thumb, then this out and up. Step up and draw another curve. Now we're going to layer those shields in behind the arm. Let's start from the top, then it's out, in behind the hat. Continue on the outside, going around the hand, then down. Then it's in and up, in behind the hand. Let's do the exact same thing over on the right. Now we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Mo from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. What's up everyone, and welcome to our club memberships. Are you ready to take your art skills to the next level? Well, I've got something special just for you. Introducing our channel membership, starting at only $1 per month. For less than the price of a cup of coffee, you'll get exclusive access to a world of bonus features and perks that will enhance your journey with me. As a member, you'll be treated to brand new weekly tutorials that are available only to our valued members. Want to learn the latest techniques and dive deeper into the topics I cover? This is your chance. You'll also gain access to our member-only community feed where you can connect with fellow members, share your progress, and participate in exclusive polls. Your voice matters, and I want to hear from you. And let's talk about the perks. You'll receive a set of custom chat emojis to use during our live streams and premieres, adding a personal touch to your interactions with me. Plus, you'll proudly showcase your support with special member badges that highlight your dedication. But wait, there's more. As a member, you'll get access to future perks I roll out. I'm constantly working behind the scenes to bring you even more exclusive content, surprises, and experiences. So join our channel membership today and become a part of our exclusive community. For just $1 per month, you'll unlock a world of premium content, engagement, and fun. Click that join button now and let's embark on this exciting journey together.